Welcome to This Explainer. Let's completely ditch that travel stress and navigate Rome's transit like an absolute local.
So you finally landed in Rome, exhausted and juggling heavy luggage. Now, how do you actually get to your hotel?
Well, forget those stressful queues. A totally frictionless luxury transfer solution is literally right at your fingertips.
And the best part? 0 apps to download, no boring registrations, and you skip the wait entirely.
Just open your mobile browser, bookmark 025353.it, and instantly grab a free quote. Behind the scenes, live digital mapping tech precisely tracks the absolute closest available taxi to your exact location.
This real-time satellite tracking automatically manages empty stands, cutting down wait times and maximizing your efficiency.
Want to save some serious cash? Taxi sharing between Fiumicino and Rome actually slashes your fare by up to 60%.
Enter Taxi Collettivo. You get that traditional taxi comfort mixed with the sweet, sweet savings of ride-sharing.
Plus, this massive network covers the entire Lazio region, seamlessly connecting Termini, Ciampino, Civitavecchia, and way beyond.
They even offer a 24/7 call center and rapid roadside assistance to keep your Roman holiday totally worry-free.
So with this slick zero-app platform, is your smartphone browser really the only travel tool you need in Italy?